This video guide is about removing the ransomware that is called Aumcc. In this video, we will demonstrate to you how exactly this particular ransomware affects the files and what it does with the files after it damages them. So obviously, before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, videos, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, some computers are vulnerable to contemporary threats, and some way or another this particular ransomware called Aumcc may be injected into the system. Pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot access their files anymore. So this particular ransomware encrypts the files and adds a special extension to them. Then after the encryption is successful, customers realize that they cannot access their data anymore. In case you have discovered some of your files to be already encrypted and damaged by this ransomware, it's a good idea that you carefully check the task manager of your computer. Typically, you might find some strange processes with long random names running in the background, such as this particular process. So if you find something suspicious here, that is having this long random name, it's a good idea that you right-click on it and end its task to stop the further file encryption. This can help you to save at least some of your files from being damaged by this particular ransomware. Unfortunately, it might be too late, and customers may suddenly realize that their data has been damaged and encrypted. So this special Aumcc extension is now added, and customers can no longer access their files. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration, but this doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored. So please do not pay the ransom. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus in order to effectively delete this particular ransomware. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download the software, install the application, and start researching your device with its help. Click on Start Scan button. The program will update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection and removal, and then the scanning will begin. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program begins researching your system. You will see the summary of threats found during the scan at the end of the scanning. Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware tool can help you add one or several folders on your system that will be always protected against ransomware attacks in the future. At the end of scan, you will see the information about the locations of threats on your device. You may remove them manually, but we strongly advise upgrading to the premium license of the program to delete all these threats automatically.